up, everybody? My name is Asher, and thank you so much for tuning in and checking out my cooking channel. So I started cooking back in 2015, and I soon fell in love with it. So much so that it's one of my favorite pastimes now. So I wanted to showcase my passion for cooking and share mine and my mother's recipes in South Indian cuisine. So I started this channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so for the very first video, I'm going to be making a staple in South Indian cuisine, and that's the Dal Tadka, aka lentil soup, aka pappu. So I've got 1 cup of Toor Dal soaking in about 6 cups of water. Now you don't want to go any more than 6 cups of water. You want that slightly thick consistency. So we're going to add some vegetables and seasoning and pressure cook this. So let's get cooking. Alright guys, so let's add the vegetables and seasoning to the dal. Alright, so 1 whole onion. Now you can just roughly chop this up, you don't have to finely chop it. Now I wanted to cook dal as the first dish because it's a very versatile dish. You can have this with rice, you can have it with roti, or you can have it just by itself. 2 vine-ripe tomatoes, roughly chopped. Now I prefer vine-ripe tomatoes because they're a lot juicier and they impart a lot more flavor. Okay, so let's grab some Thai chilies. Take off the stems. Now this is optional. If you don't like your dal spicy, don't add the Thai chilies because we're going to be adding the chili powder as well. All right, so cut up the chilies into about 3 pieces. Two crushed garlic cloves. So I've got a healthy ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. You want to make sure you add enough turmeric powder. That's what's going to give it that deep, rich yellow color to the dal. 1 teaspoon salt. And 1 teaspoon chili powder. Again, if you don't like spicy, make it a ½ teaspoon. And a little drizzle of oil. You want to grab a handful of cilantro leaves. Cilantro has citrusy, lemony flavor and has an amazing aroma. It's just going to impart so much flavor to the dal. Roughly chop the cilantro. Look how amazingly colorful this looks. All right, so let's stir this up and cook it for about 15-20 minutes. Now you want to keep in mind when you're pressure cooking this, set it on high, and once you hear the first whistle, take it down to a medium and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's temper the dal, alright? So I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of clarified butter or Indian ghee. Quarter cup of finely chopped onions. ½ teaspoon of cumin seeds. ½ teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 crushed garlic clove. And Kashmiri red chilies. Now you can use the traditional red chilies. I prefer the Kashmiri because they have a more smoky kind of chipotle kind of flavor to them. Last but not least, curry leaves. Stir all this up and wait till the onions get to a nice, beautiful golden brown color. All we're doing is caramelizing the onions here. Hot butter has an amazing ability to extract and retain all the flavors and the aromas from the spices and the herbs, and all this flavor is going to be imparted into the dal, and it's just going to be a flavor explosion. This smells amazing right now. Alright guys, so our onions are caramelized. Let's add the tadka to the dal. Oh, look at that. You want to hear that crackle and pop. That's when you know that the onions are cooked properly and you've added just the right amount of ghee. Hey, we just added the tadka to the dal, so we have one more thing to do. That is add a little more cilantro to the dal, bring it to a boil, and that's it. Let's see how our dal turned out. It smells amazing already. Oh, look at that. There you go. All right, a little dollop of the old pickle there. There you go. All right, there you have it. That's your quintessential South Indian meal, guys. Rice, dal, pickle. That's all you need. That's all you need. Smells amazing. Wow. All right, well, I'm salivating already. I'm gonna step off camera because I'm gonna eat with my hands. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, all right, what's up, guys? Man, that was a fantastic meal. Well, that's it for the first video, guys. Thanks again for tuning in and checking out my channel. Really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. It'll tell YouTube that you're digging my content and you want to see me make more videos. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. And once again, thank you very much for tuning in. And oh, by the way, if you like this video, please like the video. And I'll see you on the next one. Tell me when to go. 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 Dum dum dum. Are we recording or what? Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to no. Hey, what's up, everybody? So for the first video, I'm gonna be making something very simple yet very versatile. It's Dal Tadka. Right? Did I say Dal Tadka before in the intro? No, right? No, I don't think so. So what we're gonna do is soak the dal. So I've got Toor Dal, 1 cup of Toor Dal. See, I'm not smiling. I'm not smiling, man. Damn, come on. All right, so for the, so for the Alright guys, so we just added the tadka to the dal and it smells amazing. But, come on. Alright guys.